Saltwater versus freshwater fish. Health benefits, mercury risks, and best cooking methods. Saltwater fish live in oceans and seas, where the water has high salinity, tend to have a more distinct and often stronger flavor. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart and brain health, generally have a firmer texture compared to freshwater fish. Common examples are salmon, tuna, mackerel, cod, and halibut. Freshwater fish inhabit lakes, rivers, and streams with lower salinity. Often have a milder taste compared to saltwater fish. Contain slightly lower levels of omega-3s, but are still nutritious. May have a softer texture compared to saltwater fish. Common examples are trout, catfish, bass, and perch. Let us talk about which is better for you. Both saltwater and freshwater fish provide high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. However, saltwater fish often contain higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and support brain function. If you're looking for the most heart-healthy option, oily saltwater fish like salmon and mackerel are excellent choices. Freshwater fish can still be nutritious, but may have fewer omega-3s. Mercury levels in fish. Mercury is a heavy metal that accumulates in fish through the food chain. Eating high in mercury varieties of fish too often can be harmful, especially for pregnant women and young children. Fish with the most mercury. Avoid frequent consumption of king mackerel, shark, swordfish, tilefish, big-eye tuna fish. With the least mercury, best choices for regular consumption. Salmon, sardines, trout, tilapia, pollock, and flounder. Many people ask, is raw fish safe to eat? Raw fish can be safe to eat if properly handled and sourced from reputable suppliers. However, there are some risks. Parasites. Some fish carry parasites that can cause illness if not properly frozen or cooked. Bacteria. Raw fish can contain harmful bacteria like Salmonella or Vibrio if not stored correctly. Heavy metals. Some raw fish, like tuna, may have higher mercury levels. How to eat raw fish safely. Only consume sushi-grade fish from trusted suppliers. Ensure the fish has been frozen to at least -4 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 degrees Celsius for a minimum of 7 days to kill parasites. Avoid raw fish if pregnant, immunocompromised, or at high risk for foodborne illness. The healthiest way to prepare fish depends on preserving nutrients while minimizing unhealthy fats and harmful compounds. Here are the best cooking methods ranked for health benefits. Steaming, best option. Why it's healthy. Preserves the most nutrients, omega-3s, proteins, and vitamins. How to do it. Steam fish over water or broth for a tender, moist texture. Best fish for steaming. Salmon, cod, tilapia, trout. Poaching. Why it's healthy. Uses water, broth, or wine, keeping fish low in calories and fat. How to do it. Simmer fish in liquid at a low temperature. Best fish for poaching. Halibut, sole, cod, salmon. Baking fish is healthier. Requires minimal oil, keeping fish light and nutritious. How to do it. Bake at 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit with herbs, lemon, and a little olive oil. Best fish for baking. Salmon, trout, snapper, tilapia. Grilling. Why it's healthy. Adds flavor without extra fat, but watch for charring, which can create harmful compounds. How to do it. Use a clean grill. Cook at moderate heat and avoid excessive charring. Best fish for grilling. Tuna, swordfish, salmon, mahi-mahi. Another way is sautéing with healthy oils. Why it's healthy. Uses a small amount of heart-healthy oils, olive oil, avocado oil. How to do it. Cook fish over medium heat with minimal oil and seasoning. Best fish for sautéing. Flounder, sole, tilapia, trout. Least healthy methods to avoid are deep frying. Adds unhealthy trans fats and calories. Also pan frying, with too much oil or butter, can increase unhealthy fat intake. 3. Overcooking can destroy nutrients, especially omega-3s. Best overall tip. For maximum health benefits, pair your fish with steamed vegetables, whole grains, or a light salad. Avoid heavy sauces and excessive salt. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like. And thanks for watching.